Imagine a world where eye drops could replace your reading glasses or the need for surgery. Sounds too good to be true? Well, a recent study suggests that this could indeed be a game changer for people suffering from long-sightedness. Doctors have been working on innovative eye drops specifically designed for those experiencing presbyopia, a condition that affects hundreds of millions globally, making it hard to focus on nearby objects and fine print. While the typical solutions have been glasses or surgical procedures, many individuals find spectacles cumbersome, and not everyone is a candidate for surgical options. Here's where it gets intriguing. Researchers now claim that simply using eye drops twice a day might be the answer. At a recent conference held by the European Society of Cataract and Refractive Surgeons, ESCRS, in Copenhagen, a study presented indicated that participants experienced noticeable improvement in their ability to read eye chart lines after using the drops, with benefits lasting up to 2 years. This could offer a promising alternative for individuals who long for the convenience of not needing glasses or who prefer to avoid surgery altogether. The eye drops in question contain 2 main ingredients: pilocarpine, which constricts the pupils and helps the eye's lens adapt to various distances, and diclofenac, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medication that aids in reducing inflammation. The study engaged 766 participants from Argentina, who were instructed to use these drops morning and again 6 hours later. They were categorized into 3 distinct groups, each receiving a different formulation of the drops. While all groups contained a fixed dose of diclofenac, the concentration of pilocarpine varied, 1%, 2%, and 3%, to assess which would be most effective. Remarkably, nearly all participants in the 1% pilocarpine group could read 2 or more additional lines on the eye chart. Among the 2% dosage group, 69% of the patients were able to read 3 or more extra lines, and an impressive 84% in the 3% group saw similar enhancements. Dr. Giovanna Bonozzi, the director of the Center for Advanced Research for Presbyopia in Buenos Aires, highlighted that after just 1 hour of administering the drops, participants experienced an average improvement of 3.45 Jaeger lines, which is a standard measure for near vision acuity. Notably, 99% of the patients in the 1% pilocarpine cohort achieved optimal near vision, enabling them to read multiple extra lines. These findings suggest that this new treatment could provide a safe, effective, and tolerable alternative to conventional ways of managing presbyopia. However, it's essential to note that some common side effects were reported, including temporary dimming of vision, slight irritation during administration, and headaches. Experts have lauded these findings, advocating for further research to explore the full implications. Professor Burkhard Dick, the incoming president of the ESCRS, emphasized the need for more extensive, long-term, multi-center studies to validate the safety and reliability of this treatment before it can be widely implemented. But here's where the discussion gets spicy. Might this innovative approach shift how we view traditional solutions like glasses and surgery? Could there be potential downsides to relying on medication for vision correction? What are your thoughts on this emerging alternative? We invite you to share your viewpoint in the comments.